Get into a car with value. 2021 Nissan Rogue. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Start planning your family road trips in this comfortable, well-equipped Rogue. This clever crossover offers plenty of space and thoughtful creature comforts to keep your crew relaxed and eager for adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, pre-collision system, proximity key entry, heated driver's seat, moonroof, keyless entry, navigation system, sun moonroof. Spacious comfort is surprisingly efficient in this well-designed Rogue. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.